growing up, we didn't have any taonga in our wider family. I wanted to create practices where taonga were available to be gifted. So all my nieces and nephews, they all have taonga, grow up with that taonga, and then they pass it on.
Being able to share it with people, being able to share it with your kids is one of the biggest joys I've ever had. My aspiration for Raranga Whatu Tukutuku in the future would be to see it thriving, more normalised, more frequent and mainstream.
If our messages are in line with our purpose, then you're going to bring about something that's relevant. And that's what I want to see in Māori performing arts, is a message to the world that is relevant to healing, to health, to rising up, to tangata standing up as an Indigenous people.